When I hear about the Vajrayana, often I find the information that it is an extension of Mahayana. Is that true, or I'm missing something?
No, that's true. Generally speaking, we can say that Buddhism has two main branches, the Theravada branch and the Mahayana branch. In the Theravada branch, the practitioners want to be liberated from birth and death. Yeah, which is possible in just a few lifetimes if you really work at it. The Mahayana branch, they want to not just become liberated from birth and death, they want to liberate all beings from the wheel of birth and death. Now this takes much longer. This takes 3 countless eons. It's a very difficult practice. We have to work very hard at accumulating merit and awareness or wisdom, right? So this takes 3 countless eons. It's not an easy path, but we can choose. Then within Mahayana, there are also 2 branches. One is the Sutrayana path, and the other is the Vajrayana path. So Tantra or Vajrayana is Mahayana, but it's one of 2 branches of Mahayana.